Hello and welcome back to the quick vlog. In our previous video, we have talked about the different type of joins like right, left, inner, and full join. Likewise, today in this video, we will be talking about the different type of wildcards. Basically, there are two type of common wildcards used in MySQL. That is percentage and another is underscore. Okay, let's start without delaying. Okay, this is our workbench, and here are already some commands. Let's start from the first. Okay, let's use the quick vlog. And if you haven't watched our previous video, please watch the video at first because we will be using the same database which we have created in our previous video of joins. So it will be more easier for you to understand. And okay, we are using the quick vlog. Let's first of all see the employee table. Okay, this is our employee table, and we have name, DOB, address, department ID, join date, position, and employee ID as the column or field of the table. And now let's talk about what is percentage at first, or the wildcard percent. A percent basically it is the symbol percent is used, and it is used to represent either zero or more characters. And likewise the symbol underscore, that is another wildcard, and that is used to represent a single character only. And these both wildcards are used with like operators, that is like operators. Okay, let's see one example, you will get more clearer. The query is simple: select asterisk from employee where name, and we are using here like operator, and we are using percent as the wildcard here. And there is a condition that the first letter must be a, and after that, beside that, the column name having initial a and other any character can be shown using this query. Likewise this one. Okay, uh, the first character must be a, and the percentage will replace either zero, or it will represent either zero or more character as we said before. So it is representing here as SHATHAPA. Okay, I guess you have got a bit idea about this. Okay, let's use S because there are more records with initial S, and you will get more clearer. Okay, look, it is only searching those records whose initial or whose first letter is a S, and it is letting any value to be after yes. So here is the record of Suresh, Sarita, and Sangita. These three records have one thing only in common, that is the first initial is yes, and beside that other it is letting percentage to be handled because percent represent more characters. Likewise, if we see in the underscore, it will only replace or it will only represent a single character. That's why we need to give the remaining value of the record in order to search the record like this. Okay. It is only showing the ASHA, If there was another record like ISHA, it will again show in the same query because it is letting the first initial value to be any value, but the beside that SHA, is the compulsion in the query. That means this should be in the name, and first letter or first character is um, represented by underscore, which is like a single character that can be anything. And this underscore is not mostly used in searching the name, but the percentage is what commonly used for searching the name. Like if you want to take the name of employee starting with A, then it is the most used, or it is the most appropriate query to search the records. Likewise, if we want some kind of date, let us suppose we are going to select from employee where DOB, date of birth is 1998. Okay, and we are using here percentage. That means after that the month and the date can be anything. Only the year is 1998. Okay, we have two records with 1998 DOB, and their month are completely different, but it is selecting the record cause we have given a condition where the first year must be this 1998, and beside that the wildcard will handle the other date and month. Likewise, if we are going to calculate the, suppose if we are going to sort out the employee whose age is around 20, we can use this one, this kind of query. Or if we want to categorize employee on the basis of their let us suppose address, or let us suppose their uh, departments, or you can say the joining date also, how old or how experienced are these employee. To see those kind of records, you can keep the condition in the join date and calculate the year how much they have worked with you. Okay, this was for today's video. Hope you will like the video.